Hey y'all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're just going to do a quick update video on Gav's Forest, so let's get to it. So for those of you that don't remember Gav's Forest or haven't seen back to it, Gav's Forest is about a bunch of trees that got packaged up forever and were shipped over to the UK, came back to the US, back to the UK, up to Cornwall. I think at one point they made it to another country also, and then back to the UK, and then back to the US. But they were on a long journey. That's the basic story here. They were on a long journey. So we have some bad news, my friends. The Eastern Red Cedar that was left in here is no good. That one did not make it. So we're just gonna pull that little guy and get rid of it. And then the red maple that was in here is also dead, so we're going to get rid of that one as well. And Gav, all we have left is the trident maple, which was supposed to be the surprise tree, and well, surprise, it's the only one still living after that, like, 30 days in a dark box. And I would say it's living very, very well. So stay tuned with me, because we are going to end up adding to Gav's Forest, because it can't be Gav's Forest with just one trident maple in it. So at some point we're going to add some more trees and see where it goes from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, you should subscribe to my channel, and if you really enjoy my content, you should hit bell notifications so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.